On June 24, 2022, India's first tribal indigenous presidential candidate, Droupadi Murmu, who is also NDA's presidential candidate, while being accompanied by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, had filed a nomination for the upcoming presidential elections. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, is also in New Delhi to show his support to the country's first tribal presidential candidate. Droupadi Murmu is an Indian politician and member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the official nominee of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance for the 2022 presidential election. She previously served as the 9th Governor of Jharkhand from 2015 to 2021.
See, the tribal community in the state of in the country are one of the most backward tribe in the country. That's why the government of India have a reservation, be for job or other facilities that are provided to the tribal community. So as tribal, I think that this is a big step forward. Big step in the sense that it's not the first time. Professor late Giswell have been contesting, but he doesn't come successful. And late PM Sangma also have contested for the office of president, but he could not become successful. Let's hope third time lucky for the tribal population in the country.
On behalf of the people of our state, I would like to give a big thanks to the NDA government, especially to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Honorable National President Chief Minister Ji, and all the leaders in the NDA government that they have already decided to put the presidential candidate from the tribal. It is proud for us. It is the first time in the history where the tribal women will be occupied the share of president in our country. And it is not only the proud of Meghalaya, it is the proud of all the Northeast and the whole part of the country being a tribal. And I hope, I wish her all the best for this new assignment, and she'll give her service for the nation and as well as for the Northeast and for our state also.